Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. Welcome! It's my party, and I'll cry if I want to. Guess what? I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, we are celebrating 1,700 subscribers. 1,700. That's a lot of people that clicked subscribe. And I want to thank you so much if you are one of those people or going to be one of those people, because there is a giveaway. I'm going to be doing an eye tutorial with this Marc Jacobs electric palette. It's very beautiful and sparkly. I'm going to do a hooded eye tutorial. And then I'm going to tell you in the middle of the tutorial what you have to enter in the comments to get into the giveaway. And then at the end, I'm gonna unbox everything that I'm gonna be giving away. So that'll be something to look forward to. I'm a little thirsty. I'm also a little teapot, short and stout. I'm ridiculous. Why is it when it gets cold, I get thirsty and everything seems so dry? Look at this palette. It's so pretty. It's some neutrals with some pop of pink and wine. And I think it's going to make a real cute little hooded eye look for today. I'm going to start right here with this taupe color and put it in my crease. So I've been on YouTube for over 3 years now. And why did I get on YouTube? Because I saw other people on here and doing it, and I was like, man, if they can do it, I can do it. And so I did, and I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know how to have a background. I didn't know how to do anything, hardly at all. But I just started and just did the damn thing and just showed up, and here I am over 3 years later, and I'm still doing the dang thing, which is very exciting. I really love doing the YouTube. I love talking to people. I love meeting people. I love responding to comments, all that kind of good jazz. I'm going to go into this wine color. And Marc Jacobs hasn't put any makeup out in a while, so this is an older palette that I got from BoxyCharm. But I love it. It's really good quality, and it's such a pretty smoky look that we're doing today. It is just gorgeous. I'm just blending that in with the crease color and onto the outside corner of the lid. I'm not going to take a big long time to do this look here. I'm going to go in with the pink with my fingertip and bring that in. And that's very pretty. I get tissue. No need to drag out this look for sure. But it's a great little party look. And all the holiday parties are starting. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So it looked like this might be great for an evening Thanksgiving kind of party. I'm going to go into this black color with this brush and smoke out the outside corner. Woo, pigmented. I'm gonna brush this brush off so I can soften up the black. That makes it truly smoky Smokey and the Bear. It is really beautiful and easy, this look. I am digging it. Digging it, digging it. Just blending in a little bit more of that wine color. Ooh, it's so dark and smoky. It's very beautiful and vampy. I'm going to do some liner. What color is this liner? Oh, this is a green liner from ColourPop. No thanks. I'm going to use this House Labs liquid liner. Hopefully it's not dry. Oh, it is not dry. It is a great liquid liner. I haven't used it in a minute. I think I should be using it more because it put a nice, thick, juicy, black, deep eyeliner. Line. So anyway, I'm kind of rambling, but I'm really excited about the 1,700 subscribers, and I've got a really nice, generous box of goodies to give to you guys. And I'm going to use the Blink mascara. And there's skincare, there's makeup, there's a little something for everybody. And if you don't like something, it might make a great Christmas present. So that's really cool. And to enter the contest, you have to use the phrase, oh, what phrase? Oh, tell me what your favorite mascara is. So in the comments, tell me what your favorite mascara is and put the words "enter me," and you'll be entered into the contest. And the drawing will happen a week from today. The winner will be chosen by a random comment picker, and it will choose people who use the correct phrases about the mascara and enter me to choose the winner. So if you don't use the right phrase, my favorite mascara is, and enter me, then you won't be chosen. So you have to make sure that you do that. This mascara is nice. It is nice and buildable. I'm so dark and spooky looking. Spooky, spooky. I'm gonna go in with the KVD liquid lip, which is called Queen of Poisons. And this is the new formula of KVD liquid lip. Ooh, so pretty. That looks gorgeous. That works really good with this eye look. So I feel very special and fantastic and extra pretty let's take a look. Now we've got a look. Let's take a look at what is in the giveaway bag. It's in the Ipsy bag. First off, we have some brushes from Iconic. Then we have from Asila, Glacier Clay Cleaner. We have some lip liners from Saint Lux. We have Lottie London Sealed Golden Hour eyeshadow. And then we have a lip mask here from Basic Skin. This is the like $175 serum from BoxyCharm the other day. Then we have from Pat McGrath a beautiful single shadow in her sequin packaging. We have from Trend Beauty a beautiful palette called Glam Babe. And it is very gorgeous, great for holiday parties. The old Glam Babe palette. And then last but not least, we have from Pop Mask. It says Sleepover 5 self-warming steam masks. It can help relieve migraines, tension, headaches, dry eyes, and sleep problems. And it warms up in 30 seconds. So quite a bit of stuff here in this giveaway. Like I said, there's skincare, there's beauty products, there's a little bit of something for everyone in here. And you can enter by using the key phrase that I mentioned a few moments ago, and enter me, and you will be entered. So you must be subscribed to my channel. Look, the hen is still there. Subscribe to my channel, over 18, US mailing address, follow the directions. YouTube is not responsible or it doesn't have anything to do with this giveaway. Also, everything is given by me. I've bought it or received it as a gift from PR, which I don't really get a lot of PR, but everything was given to me or was in a box that I purchased, and that's it. The other details will be down below. I hope you have a great day or day of choice. Thanks for being around. You're pretty fucking awesome, and we'll see you soon.